In my last few videos, I've been showing you unique ways that you can increase your average order values. If you haven't seen those videos yet, make sure you watch them after this one because I'm showing you how to make more money in less time. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is it takes the same amount of time to create a $5 product as it does to create a product that makes you $100 profit per sale. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create product bundles on Etsy and how you can have 2 or more designs on the one listing so that you can blow up the average order value and best of all, automate the whole process so you don't have to touch the designs. So the tool I'm going to use for this is AnywherePOD. They simplify the whole process. Now in here, we can choose any product from any of the suppliers. So if we wanted something from Shine On with something from Printify, it's something we can do. The other thing to keep in mind is that on Etsy, you can only use 2 different variant options. On Shopify, you've got 3. So with this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the Etsy setup. With that in mind, what we're going to choose is the denim jackets from Shine On. So go through and select the ones you want. We're going to start with the men's. There is a men's and women's, which is great, but we're starting here. So start designing, upload that design. Ideally, you'll use the full space that you've got available there. Make a better looking design that way. Gonna make that as big as possible. Add the personalization layer, XXIV. So I want that to be personalized, obviously. All right, so that's going to update with the product mockup, personalized Roman numerals. So now what we need to do is come down back to the variant section and we want to add a new variant. I'm going to come up to product catalog again, click on Shine On so it brings up all the other products. And we want that women's oversized denim jacket. Upload the design again, the Queen of Hearts, this one. Personalization layer. XXIV for those playing at home is 2024. When the relationship started. Cool. Update product. So now what we need to do is actually put the correct names in the right spot. So King of Spades, and for this one, Queen of Hearts. Sweet. Okay. So go save. Now what we're going to do is go to the bundle variants and go view update, up the variant name builder. And under each of them, we need to put in the right sizes there. Now what's going to happen is if we go back into there again, we're going to see it broken out size with the correct design. So King of Spades, Queen of Hearts, and there we go. Save. Now, if you want to force people to actually buy that bundle, what you need to do is come to the variants, go select all, and then go disable selected. That's going to make sure that all that comes through is that actual bundle choice. And when you're ready, choose your shipping profile and then go create new Etsy listing. Okay, so once you've published it across to Etsy, it's going to be in your draft listings. Click through, make sure you optimize it, turn on the personalization if it's a personalized piece. And there we can see how the variants have come through. We can double check to make sure that's going to work right. Queen of Hearts size, correct. King of Sweet. So King of Hearts. Awesome. Very nice. Once you're happy with it, go publish with changes and you have a product bundle on Etsy. Good on you.